people. So tomorrow I'm off to Pondicherry, and before that, that's what book reviews is what I like doing. So Chicken Soup for the Indian Entrepreneur's Soul. This book is it has 364 pages of these. It's a chicken soup series, right? So it's a contribution from a whole diverse spectrum of people, and I like how this book has been bifurcated into these don't give up, and how to keep going regardless of obstacles. And it's honestly, when you read any of the Chicken Soup for the Soul series, first of all, each story is very short, so it's easy to get done with it. And also it shows you that there have been others on this journey much before you were even born, probably, because there is this Japanese healer master Ryoho Okawa. He says that when you are faced with life's challenges, you should go back and read about people who invariably, the challenges that you're facing today, people have faced it in the past. So also with entrepreneurs, so truly people, if you are a budding entrepreneur, you have to get yourself a copy of Indian Entrepreneur's Soul, because just on the basis of the fact that it is such a huge spectrum of people, it's like you will find a solution, in case you're feeling low and on the verge of giving up. You just need to hold on to your dream, and soon you will be as successful entrepreneur as some of the people who've contributed in this anthology. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Yesterday I was sitting and analyzing how do I go about doing the review, but then I realized I just need to just kind of mention right down to the number of pages, to generally the flow of the book. And I feel people are able to sense my enthusiasm. And if you have enthusiasm, like with regard to you should read this book, that is also a mission accomplished, I feel. So truly people, Chicken Soup, I think you folks have done a great job. And the most challenging part for me while doing a review is to compress everything within 1 minute or 2 minutes. So that is tricky, because if you go on and on, nobody listens, right? Like it's going to happen right now. So I need to be careful of that. But this is one of the better, pretty much, very motivating Chicken Soup for the Soul series. And since it's Indian entrepreneur, is that much more relatable. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.